Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. It doesn't matter what time you see this video, it's time to make some money. So after you successfully downloaded this app and you probably cash out your 5 bills, or if not, if you already claim your bonus, and if you still don't know how to claim your bonus, I'll tell you. Alright, so you see that DM on the left top right corner right there? I'm going to click on it. Alright, so I'm also going to go down to rewards. When I go to rewards, right, this is where you should put in the code. So after you put in the code right here, which is my code, and you're gonna submit it right here. All right, after submitting the code, you will be eligible to get $500. All right, so when you get that $500, I will get $250. That's how I make money, and also you will get a bonus because you just joined the app. All right, after you finish that and you say, all right, so how do I make money? It's pretty simple. You go back out to rewards, then you go to invite friends. When you go to invite friends, you will see your code right there. It's gonna be right there. All right, so whenever persons uses your code, so for example you have a family friend, right, and you say, hey, I have this great app, I want you to download it, and he downloaded or she downloaded it, right, you're gonna use your code right here, you're gonna give it to him, he's gonna get $500, you're gonna get 250. So each time somebody uses your code, you're gonna get $250. If 20 persons uses your code for the day, you will get 5,000 Jamaican dollars. It's that easy, it's that simple. So you're gonna copy your code right here, you're gonna go over, you're gonna give the person your code, the person is gonna go to claim bonus, he's gonna paste or she's gonna paste the code right there, and then after they paste the code, you get your money. All right, it's that easy, it's that simple. Okay, nothing is hard about getting money, it's that easy, it's that simple. All right guys, if you like this video, please share with a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend. All right, comment under it, like it guys, like it. The more persons you get on board, it's the better for you. The more persons you get, the more money for you. All right, let's go guys.